How to get working Sizzler promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Sizzler promo codes and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Sizzler. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Sizzler. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 35% off, $50 off, 70% off, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy it and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Sizzler. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Sizzler. So this is how you can easily get working Sizzler promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.